Hey YouTube. Today I got my 090 cylinder and the 440 cylinder kit, and I thought we might look at this this big cylinder here. It is finished really well. It's smooth as a baby's behind, so there's no chance of rings catching or anything like that. It's got a Nikasil coating. Right there's your impulse. That's symmetrical, isn't it? I've got an 090 steel decomp. I was just terrified of that dropping down in and messing things up. Threads look good. Okay, let's okay, on the left, obviously that's the 090, and on the right that is the 660 54 millimeter. I mean, that piston is huge. And you know, look at those holes. They go straight through. And if you look, see that right there? That is, that connects the two holes. There's one on top, one on bottom on either side. Pins are on the right side. That pin's huge. I just happen to have a set of steel circlips, and I couldn't use them, or I didn't want to use them when I built the 070 after I saw them, because they were so thick that the channel it was pretty much like the Meteor when I did the 660. The circlips they sent to me did not sit down far enough in that channel, and so I used some steel circlips in it. I didn't use theirs. On this one, this may be large enough to accept that circlip. Otherwise, I can just cut the tails, or most of the tail off on that. That's really a long tail. I'm just afraid that get separated at some point and mess my saw up. These are the heaviest O-rings, or rings, that I've held. They are very heavy. I have some caber rings coming. I had to get them from Greece, so that takes like 2 weeks, I think. Couldn't find them close. Okay, and there's the 440 kit, so I'll do that. I'll get started on this soon, but I just wanted to show you this because I was blown away. I look forward to seeing how the kit cylinder. I mean, it runs fine, but this is what you do when you can. You always upgrade. So the 440, it bounces a little. All saws have some vibration. That's just normal. I think this one has a little bit too much. I think other people have seen the same thing. So we'll see if a cylinder calms it down. I wanted the cylinder anyway. I wanted the Nikasil coating. I wanted something that would last forever, or as long as a cylinder's supposed to last. All right, well, we got plenty to do, and we'll talk soon.